I'll give you a tour of the apartment here. This is the main hall. We have a TV with cable connection. This is the balcony. It's common to the adjacent room as well. They both share a balcony. This is the dining area. All the rooms have ACs and remotes are here. This is the first bedroom. It has an attached toilet as well. This is the second bedroom. It's common to the balcony. This is the common toilet. All the toilets have a separate shower room. This is the master bedroom. And this is an attached toilet. We have a fully functional kitchen. We have a fridge, stove, kettle, toaster, water purifier, everything. In the storeroom, we have all the cleaning equipment. This bucket is for food waste. This one is for other waste, sanitary waste. We have a washing machine here. This is for the gas line. Presently, it's on. If it is against the flow, it's off. Right now, it's turned on. Also, here there's another safety valve. If it is along the pipe, it's turned on. If it is against the pipe, it's turned off. And then you can use the lighter to light it. And in case if there's an issue with that, you should just press this button to clear any air gap in the gas pipe. This is the swimming pool in the 5th floor which you can use. We have the gym and everything, changing rooms as well. And here you have a